Want to trade?
Sure.
How about this? You trade me your backpack for my purple shoes.
That deal seems kind of unfair.
Well, I'll trade you a black spike. I have like 12 of those.
You mean after?
Yeah.
Okay, deal.
I can't believe she's falling for this. Thanks so much.
No, thank you. Now, can I have the black spike?
Well, actually, no, because it turns out I don't have a black spike.
What?
Bye.
No, please, I worked so hard.
She totally fell for that. I can't believe it. This is so easy. It looks like I have lots of scamming to do.
I can't believe she did that. I hate Animal Jam now. I'm going to quit. Just started.
Look how rich I am now. Scamming really helps. Looks like an easy target. Hey there.
Hi!
Wanna trade?
Oh, speaking of trading, my best friend just got scammed. Can you believe that?
Wait, what? Who?
Her username's Doggy Cat.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Well,
Do you know her?
yeah, I scammed her.
What? You scammed her?
I'm so sorry. I didn't know it'd go that far.
I hate scammers, which means I hate you.
Please don't
I'm leaving.
Wait! Oh my gosh, I totally I scammed someone and they quit the game? I can't believe myself. I'm such a horrible person and I ruined everything for her. Ugh, I'm never gonna scam ever again because scamming can just make you even more lonely than I already am. I hope you all enjoyed this video. And I hope you learned that you should never ever scam other people because you can see how upset it gets them and it can upset yourself too.
And remember, Jammers, be a jammer, not a scammer, and always have fun.
We hope you enjoyed this video.